Like a gazelle. Welcome back to the workshop. I am David Martin Winterburn, and this is the client's chair that I've been given to restore. Okay, let's have a quick little look at what condition the chair is in and see what I need to do to restore it. That's where the cushion would have sat, and this is the fade from the sun. Skin and oil and stuff on here, so I will sort that out. So there's a little bit of damage at the top corner here. That's no problem at all. I'm going to whip this hole back off and basically replace all the fabric. Pull the arms and the feet off, and I'm going to strip them all back to bare wood and respray them. The tools are pretty simple. Thumb hammer, little whack hammer, side cutters for removing staples, my special little staple removal tool that I make, and these are wire cutters or wire strainers, wire pullers. Those I like to use to pull out any stubborn staples. I'm going to use a piano scraper, self-evident. Scrape off the old finish. Trusty old Boschy. I love this thing. It's so easy to use. It's a PEX 400 AE, by the way. Going to need the old Makita impact driver and a flat spade bit because it's a vintage chair. And it has slot-headed screws. Yeah. And then we also want my baby. The Segola 4500 Extreme. Needs a clean. She works pretty damn hard, and that's going to apply all the finish. Too damn easy. Let's go.
Now that we're together and we share a perfect life, you're my knight in shining armor. I'm your wife. Laugh at all the same shows and we read books in bed. But I have a small confession. I'm dead. And I'm bored out of my brain. I miss my cats and my perfect tasks and my maiden name. I want bad boys who are unemployed.
Might have to put this back on at some points. So the next part of this is to pull the staples off the side, whip it around and pull the back off, and then we can get to the arms. So let's do these staples first.
I'm the envy of friends. I don't have any friends. We make love once a month if we remember to.
Right, let's just get those.
I wanna dream like in college. I wanna try the new pills. Maybe I'm overreacting from the voices in my head. And I'm bored out of my brain. I miss my cats and my perfect tasks and my maiden name. I want bad boys who are unemployed, sleeping in my bed. And I'm bored out of my head. Pushing kids and swing sets in my gated community. Barbecues and mountain views in the land of the free.
Right, boom. You probably afford to put that foot back on, I reckon.
You're a wonderful human.
Cool.
Sometimes
Now,
take you for
let's go.
You make a shitload of cash, and I'm bored out of my brain. I left the kids in the neighbor's yard when I'm on a plane.
Oh, what do we get?
Of the
Ah, there's always one.
game
Well, I'm just going to
calls
push.
my name, and I'm bored.
There we go. That is the back. Once these come out, we can call this part of the disassembly done. Let's freaking go. Right, now it's time to get these stripped down and actually give these a sand. There's a few too many screw holes there. That was too easy. Right. Now I like to mark each piece, each joint, one knock in the middle, one indentation, and on this one, two indentations. 1, 2. Look how damn easy that is. Far out. Right, I'm happy with that. Same again on this one. All I'm doing here is just removing as much of the material as I can be bothered in a very short pass, and then I'll get the sander out. Right, the next step, once I've hit them with the 120 or the 180, sorry, the 120 disc, I'll get out a nice 180 and cut back all the big swells and scratches that are on here. So let's go. The sanding is done. So, going to give these a quick blow off. Boop. Boop. Being a little bit generous. 1, 2 and 2. There we go. All right. A little bit of squeeze out. That is all good. We'll do the rest of the squeezing when I put the clamps on. Oh, I'm gonna go that way. Get it right. Get it right. Get some hydraulicing there. Just a wee bit blurry. There we go. That's better. That's better. Be a little bit more cleaning of glue before I spray, but that is pretty damn good. I'm happy with that. Oh! What the shit? Okay, let's try and do that again without a sudden movement. A quick recap. I've disassembled the chair. I pulled off all the upholstery pieces, these guys here. I've sanded down the arms, glued them back together and clamped them and screwed them back to the chair so they can glue overnight. And the next phase is to unpick these pattern pieces, lay, draw, cut and sew some new upholstery pieces. So let's get to work. It's very uninteresting. It's not very exciting watching me cut threads and pull thread away. So let's just montage our way straight to the next shot. Right, upholstery has been finished. Now I've got to attach it. Very squeaky. Make sure I got the height right. That's not too bad. Got to pull it along. I'll put the base on. Whew. Whew, whew, pew. Pew, pew, whew. So this is me. This is just a fitting. This isn't the final. This is just seeing how everything fits. All the corners fit. There we go. So stitch that, finish stitching that, and then it's all ready to go on. All right. Look at that. How beautiful. Right. How good is this sexy little beast? How bloody good. So now what I'm going to do is put the back on.
Well, don't hurry, it's just...
Well, it'll get done today. I've actually got to go to Auckland tomorrow, so I'll put the arms back up.
loving
Look at your
this.
beautiful legs and your beautiful arms.
Yes, love it.
Very clean.
And I love it, the fact that, please don't leave this town, because I love the fact that you love this furniture.
Yeah. Where is our little schnackle dazzler?